Mom, is the baby coming soon?
Yes, very soon.
The baby needs many things.
Yes, but you are special too.
Will you love me less?
Never, my son. I will always love you.
Our baby is here.
Our family is bigger.
I love you both so much.
Everyone looks at you. You love him more.
No, we love both.
You are my first child.
Really, Mom? Can I help you?
Thank you, Leo.
Here's a toy for the baby.
That's so sweet. Thank you. Sleep tight.
You are important.
I feel happy. The baby loves you. I love him too.
Love grows bigger.
I understand.
You are my brother. You are my brother.
My heart has more love.
For all of us.
Family means love.
I know now. Parents' love never divides.
It only grows.
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: a parent's love is never less. Love grow with family. Thank you.